It's another episode of The Silly Kitchen, and I have two really cool chicks in my kitchen today. Now, I didn't say that because I call girls chicks. It's because these are the lovely daughters of the gentleman that came in here and showed me all about 5 Chicks and a Farmer, and we did a big unboxing video of all the different meats. So guys, say hello.
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 Tell everybody what your name is.
Maddie.
You're Maddie, and you're?
Eilish.
And Eilish. And they're gonna help me today make a really cool recipe. Girls, what are we making?
Chicken fingers.
Oh, chicken fingers! See, off camera, she said, we're making chicken something. And I was like, oh, that's a good one. I should have waited till the camera was rolling, but that's okay. We're making chicken fingers. Have you made chicken fingers before?
Yeah.
Yeah? How many times?
I don't know.
A lot?
A lot.
A lot. Okay, good. So this might be my second or third time making chicken fingers, so I'm relying on you guys to be the experts here. So before we get started, before we tell everybody what they need to make chicken fingers, obviously we're using chicken from your farm. So guys, do you work on the farm?
Yeah.
Yeah? What kind of chores do you do?
We scoop the hay.
Scoop the hay, okay.
To the cows.
Very nice. So you have cows on the farm. What else do you have on the farm?
Nothing really right now.
Well, not right now because it's the dead of winter, but normally, where did we get this? From the chickens! We have chickens on the farm. We have cows on the farm. What else normally do you have on the farm?
Pigs.
Pigs. And what's your favorite thing about pigs?
The bacon.
My heart. All right, perfect. And actually, there's one more animal you guys have. I know, because I'm...
Turkeys.
Turkeys! Yes, because I've had some of the ground turkey from your farm, and it's delicious. So if you had to pick, what's your favorite meat to eat?
Bacon.
Of course, bacon. What's yours?
Bacon.
You guys are both bacon lovers, and we're making chicken? I feel like I should have pulled some bacon out of the freezer. We can snack on bacon later, right? With making chicken fingers, we obviously need chicken. Now, before you guys got here, I thawed the chicken and I already cut it into pieces, so you guys didn't have to do any of the crazy knife work. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. And then what else do we need? I have an egg. Who's gonna crack the egg for me? Okay, I'm gonna put it over here, but don't do it yet because I gotta tell everybody what else we need. We need chicken, we need an egg. And I have 4 other dry ingredients here. So one of my favorite ingredients is in this cup. Can you tell what it is?
Yeah.
What is it?
Parmesan.
Parmesan! You got it right. I'm gonna test you guys. Okay, what do you think this is? Doesn't smell very, there's not a pungent smell to it. What do you think it is? What do we put on chicken fingers to make them crispy and crunchy?
Breading.
Breadcrumbs! See, I gave you a hint. What about this one? Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa! Ooh, it is very strong. What do you think that one is? I'll give it away. It's onion powder. Oh, yeah. So you can use onion powder, garlic powder, anything like that. I've got this in my pantry, so we're using that. And then I got a little bit of green. What do you guys think that is? It does actually kind of smell like grass, but it's dried parsley flakes. So you can, again, in chicken fingers, we can use any kind of dry herb if you want, if you have dry basil or anything like that, we can substitute. But parsley is one of those things that I keep in my cupboard all the time. So we're gonna use that. Okay, so in order to make chicken fingers, oops, it's okay. It's the Silly Kitchen, you're allowed to do oopsies. I like that, I like oopsies. In order to make chicken fingers, we need to bread them with all of this stuff. So what I like to do is take a bowl that's kind of like a plate bowl so that when you put your chicken in here with all the ingredients, it doesn't kind of splash out. So what I'll get you to do is I'll get you to put these things, these 4 things in there. Technically, you're supposed to measure like a teaspoon or 2 of your onion powder, garlic powder, and dry herb. Also, I think the recipe usually calls for like a tablespoon of parm, but I really like So you can put a little bit, you can just eye it out and put a little more cheese than we need to. And then I would use all of these because we've got 2 huge chicken breasts that I've cut up.
Okay.
And my dear, can you crack that egg in there? And then we're just gonna use the fork to break up the egg a bit. Oh. You did that perfectly. Did we get any shells in? 0 shells. That's impressive. All right, and then you just have to take the fork and just give it a little. What happened?
It just sputtled a little bit.
That's okay. You know what? Look how much chicken we have. We're going to use a lot of this.
Oh my.
And we're going to sprinkle it all around. And then what you do, just, oh, look how much cheese there's still. Come on, girlfriend. I said I like cheese. So what I just do with dry ingredients is I just go like this and make it look really pretty so that we have all of it mixed together because we want to coat the chicken with all of this. So you keep going. We washed our hands, so we're using all of our fingers to get all of this done. Keep going, keep going. We want it to be nice and smooth so that we can coat the chicken in the egg a little bit. It's like you're playing a song in there. How's that look? Good. It smells really good. Do you think I put too much cheese in it?
Yeah.
That's exactly what I want to hear. Okay, so we have our chicken, we have our egg. Can you dump that egg in here? Oh, yeah. Good job. Oh, did you have to go on your toes for that? That was cute. I like that. So all I'm going to do is just take tongs and just make sure that the chicken has a little bit of egg all over it. If you feel like 1 egg is not enough for the size of your chicken, you can add like a tiny bit of milk or cream in here. Really anything just to make sure that you have enough moisture then to soak up this stuff. I don't know what to call it. What do you think we should call it?
The dry mixture.
You are such a smart cookie. The dry mixture. I mean, I feel like I should have known that. You're showing me up on my own show. Oh, I got stuck. Okay, so here's 2 ways to do this. You can take these tongs and throw that in there and then move it around with your tongs. But then you get like these little pieces that aren't breaded because your tongs are grabbing the chicken. So do you guys know what I like to use? My fingers! We can play with our food. So, do you guys want to do the honors of this? That way I don't have to get my fingers dirty. Do you guys want to do it? Okay. And what I'm also going to do is preheat the oven while these girls are breading the chicken. How much do we preheat the oven to? We want the oven nice and hot because we want crispy chicken, right? So we're going to go up to 450 degrees. And once these babies are all coated, we're gonna leave them in the oven for probably about 15-20 minutes and then check on them. Ovens all kind of vary a little bit, so I never wanna tell people, put it in there for 16 minutes exactly and it'll be perfect. Depending how big you cut your chicken, depending on your oven, 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so this is my favorite part because I just get to watch you guys do the work. Did you know you were gonna have to work on my show?
Yeah.
Good. I'm glad someone told you that you're coming here to cook and teach me how to make chicken fingers. Is it fun? Do you guys like cooking?
Yeah.
Yeah, how often do you cook at home?
A lot.
A lot? Like once a week?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Or more than that.
Or more than that? Good for you guys. And you like cooking, you said.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing to make? Or what's your favorite thing to eat?
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings? This is kind of like chicken wings except without the wing. Thank you for laughing at my jokes. Okay, so we're just gonna keep going until the tray is full. So you guys have a bit of work to do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I keep asking you guys questions. That's my job. What's your favorite thing to cook? Do you cook at home?
Not really.
Not really? So this is like out of your comfort zone right now. Yeah? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? And is your favorite thing chicken wings too? Or do you have a favorite food?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti with meatballs?
Yes.
I don't know. I think chicken fingers are gonna be your new favorite. Okay, guys, you did all the work. Everything's on the tray. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Since you guys did all the work, how about I clean up?
Okay.
Oh, unless you want to clean up. Okay, I'll clean up. I'll put it in the oven, and then all we have to do is now wait that 15-20 minutes, and then we get to eat lunch. Yum! Okay. Girls, it's been 20 minutes or so. Be careful. Don't get little hot hands on here unless you want oven mitts. Oh, I just covered your face. Unless you want some oven mitts. Okay, what do you think?
They look good.
Do they look good or do they look great?
They look great.
I'm fishing for compliments here. Although, I mean, ladies, you made them, so let's kind of check our work and see what we think. Some pieces are bigger than others, so some of them are gonna be a little more crispy. But I'm gonna put. Ooh, look at that. Ooh,
Yum.
ooh, the bottoms are nice and crispy. So I'm gonna plate them nicely here, and then. Do you guys know what my favorite part of this show is?
Eating them?
How did you know? Have you seen the show before? Or do I just look really hungry all the time?
I don't know.
There's no wrong answer here. You can say I look hungry though. I like the crispy pieces. I think I'm gonna have a crispy one. Like I said, this is my favorite part. We get to taste test what we created. So I'm just gonna cut a couple pieces for us to try because I try to take TV bites so that I don't talk with my mouth full, but it doesn't always work. So I'm trying to make little bites. So guys, grab a little bite. It looks perfect. It smells awesome. And cheers. Cheers. Oh yeah, it's good. See, you talk with your mouth full just like me. I like it. You're waiting. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good. Is it too cheesy?
No.
Nothing's ever too cheesy in this kitchen. Ladies, see, I'm going to try to finish the show, but I have my mouth full. It always happens. I wanted to say thank you so much for coming on the show. I hope you had fun getting your fingers all dirty and cooking in my kitchen and showing everybody how easy it is to use 5 Chicks and a Farmer chicken to make delicious Parmesan bread crusted chicken fingers. I hope you guys try this at home. Remember to subscribe if you want to see more. I've got a whole channel of everything that I'm doing with 5 Chicks and a Farmer and their 30-pound variety bulk box. Chicken breasts, very versatile and tasty. Thanks, guys.